In this video we will show how to repair a partially torn tap on a plastic bumper. Here are some examples of damage. Let's get started on a repair. The process is very similar to welding a crack. Here is a quick recap on the process. Start by sanding the tab and bumper in the area where the welding is to be performed. Tack the tab onto the bumper to secure and stabilize it while welding the back side. Weld the backside to reinforce the repair. Remove the tacks after welding the backside. These tabs are designed to break in a collision, so we do not want too strong a repair. Weld the outside. Sand down the weld and finish it off with a 2-speed sander. If you want more information, go to our webpage, vtaginnovation.com.